How to recover your Udemy account. First, you want to open the Udemy application, and here you want to simply tap on account. By doing so, if you already have an account, you'll see a page which will look something like this. However, I'm just going to sign out from here to show you what to do if you want to recover your account. Simply tap on sign in over here. It'll ask for your email. You want to type in your email over here. You want to simply type in your email over here and tap on login with email. After that, it'll ask for your password, and you will be able to see an forgot password option at the password below the password tab. And by simply tapping on that forgot password, you'll need your recovery email, and on your recovery email you'll receive a mail from the official Udemy applications team. And on that email you'll receive a link to reset your password, and by simply following that prompt from there, you'll be able to reset your Udemy account's password. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.